Hi and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to explain about what is meant by statistics, how we use the statistics, application of statistics in our daily life, and finally advanced application of statistics. What is meant by statistics? Statistics is the art of learning the data. It is a science and art of dealing with figures and facts. Normally, statistics is a mathematical science including methods of collecting the data, analyzing the data, presenting the data, interpreting the data, and finally making decision as per the analysis we done before. Based on the analysis, the statistics divided into two categories. First category is the inferential statistics. Second category is descriptive statistics. We will discuss about this in our upcoming videos. We have collected a data set from a group of 1000 students. We have obtained their marks in various subjects like physics, chemistry, maths. Now, we want to calculate how many numbers of students have scored below average numbers. To do this calculation efficiently, we have to take the help of statistics. Here I shown two examples of plots. One is a bar plot and another one is a pie chart. Both the chart are shown the same information in the different way. We will discuss about in detail in our upcoming videos. Next one is as application of statistics in our daily life. Statistics is used for graphical represent collected data. Statistics can compare information through median, mean and mode. Median, mean and mode are the important three parameters that are used for statistics analysis. The concept of median, mean and mode we will discuss in our upcoming videos. Statistics can be easily applied to real life. For example, if you want to calculate the time to get ready for office, or if you want to maintain the money you spend in every month, gymming diet, and count of your week, and for education you have to maintain the progress report and much more. Here are some of the uses of statistics I listed here. Let's see one by one. In government sector, statistics used in government sector to check the education schedule can be suitable for students and to maintain the progress report of students and to maintain the population of country using a census. And statistics used in weather forecast. Statistics play an important role in weather forecasting. The computer used in weather forecasting is based on the set of statistics function. All these statistics function to compare the weather condition with the pre-recorded seasons and conditions. Here I shown two example plots. Both the plots are shown the temperature, actual temperature versus the forecasted temperature, and here this graph shown the temperature from May to June, and here in this graph it shown the different temperature, that is average of high temperature, average of high and low temperature, and average of snow. And next application is an emergency preparedness. We can predict any natural disaster that may happen shortly. It helps the rescue team to do the preparation to rescue the life of the people who are in danger. And the next application in political campaign. It helps the politicians to have an idea about how many chances they have to win an election in a particular area or a state or a country. And it also helps news channel to predict the winner of the election. Next, statistics application in sports. Every sports require statistics to make the sport more effective. Next one is statistics application in sports. Every sport requires statistics to make the sport more effective, and statistics helps the person to get the idea about their performance in the particular sports. However, the reason is here sport is getting more popular, and there are various kinds of types of equipment in the sports that are used to collect data of various factors. Statistics is used to get a conclusion from the given data. And then next application in research. The uses of statistics in research play an essential role in the work of researchers. The uses of statistics in research can lead researchers to summarization, proper characterization, performance, and description of the outcome of the research. And the next application is in education. In education, they are using for collecting the students record, and after collecting the students record they have to maintain the record for the every year. The uses of statistics in education are that the teachers can be considered to be supportive as researchers during their classrooms to recognize what education techniques work on which pupils and know the reason why. Also, it need to estimate test details to determine whether students are working or not. And teachers can calculate the average of students' marks and employ new techniques that can help the students improve their grades. And next application in prediction. Statistics help us to make prediction about something that is going to happen in the future. Based on what we face in our daily lives, we make prediction. For example, doctors, engineers are use statistics to make predictions about future events. And next application in predicting disease. Statistics even playing a role in the medical field. Statistics help us to know how many number of people are suffering from the disease, and it's also help us to find how much affected from the disease or how many people affected from the disease and the death rate of the disease. And next application in quality testing. Quality testing is another important uses of statistics in every area of life. We do a sample test of what we expect. We do a sample test of next application in quality testing. Quality testing is another important use of statistics in every area of life. We do a sample test of what we expect to buy to get the best. If the sample test that we have done passes the quality test, we want to buy it. And next application in insurance. There are hundreds of insurance, that is car insurance, bike insurance, life insurance, and many more. The premium of the insurance is based on the statistics. Insurance uses the statistics that are collected from various resources. Based upon the resources they are collected, and then they decide the premium amount. Next application in consumer goods. In consumer goods, statistics used to collect which consumer goods are available in store or not. And they also used statistics to find out which store needs the consumer goods and when to ship the products. And next application in financial market, all the stock prices calculate with the help of statistics. And it also helps the investor to take the decision of investment in the particular stock. And each large organization uses business statistics and utilize various data analysis tools. Several tools are used for business statistics which build on the basics of the parameter and the graphs and the basic probabilities. The parameter here they are using is a mean, median and mode. Proper statistics decisions are helping the business to make massive revenue on customer. Next application in financial market. All the stock price is calculated with the help of statistics. It also helps the investor to take the decision of investment in the particular stock. Each large organization uses business statistics and utilize various data analysis tools. Several tools are used for business analysis which built on the basics of the mean, median and mode and the bell curve and the bar graph and the basic probability. Proper statistics decisions are helping the business to make massive revenue on consumer goods. These are some of the applications used in our daily life. Next, move on to advanced uses of statistics. Uses of statistics in computer science. In computer science, the computer scientists need to concentrate on reporting the data acquisition and cleaning the data, and for data mining they are assigned to the algorithm improvement and system efficiency. They are using the statistics technology. In robotics, statistics has various uses in the field of robotics. Applied in various fields, there are next uses of application in robotics. Statistics has various uses in the field of robotics. In robotics, they have applied statistics in various fields such as in EM field and for Kalman filters and for Bayesian network. They are using the statistics. The robot always sends the present state by estimate the probability density function value, and robot can compare the estimated and actual value and act as per the value. And the next uses in aerospace, statistics are used to study traffic decline and growth, the number of accidents due to aerospace failures. And then next application in data science. In data science, statistics uses to study the collected data. Data statistics do proper experiments and get desired results using this statistics technique. And next uses of statistics in machine learning. Statistics can be used for machine learning in various ways for problem framing, understanding the data cleaning and selecting the data and for data preparation. Use of statistics to get knowledge about abstracting several useful properties and ignorance of the details. Statistics method to formulate the deep learning process mathematically. That's all about introduction of statistics. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you for watching.